Today, the focus of my presentation is Oriental, conventional, and non-conventional learning programs in India. Dear viewer, please watch the entire video. At the end of the video, there are MCQs based on the presentation. Let us first try to understand the various Oriental learning programs. 1. Historical significance. Oriental learning programs have deep historical roots in India, dating back to ancient times when traditional knowledge, particularly in languages like Sanskrit and Persian, was imparted. 2. Subjects covered. Oriental programs traditionally encompassed subjects such as philosophy, theology, linguistics, and literature, focusing on classical texts and ancient wisdom. 3. Prominent institutions. Institutions like Banaras Hindu University and Jadavpur University have preserved and promoted Oriental learning, offering courses in Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian, and related disciplines. 4. Modern relevance. Oriental studies continue to play a vital role in preserving and disseminating India's rich cultural and linguistic heritage. Now let us discuss conventional learning programs. 1. Mainstream education. Conventional learning programs are synonymous with mainstream higher education in India, typically following a structured curriculum and degree-based system. 2. Degrees offered. These programs offer undergraduate, e.g., Bachelor of Arts, Science, Commerce, postgraduate, e.g., Master of Arts, Science, Business Administration, and doctoral degrees. 3. Diverse disciplines. Conventional programs cover a wide range of disciplines, including sciences, humanities, engineering, medicine, and social sciences. 4. Institutions. Universities and colleges across India offer conventional programs, with institutions like the Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, and Indian Institutes of Management, IIMs, being prominent examples. 5. Global recognition. Indian universities offering conventional programs have gained international recognition for research and academic excellence. Non-conventional learning programs. 1. Flexible and innovative. Non-conventional learning programs are characterized by their flexibility and innovative approaches to education. 2. Examples: distance education, online courses, open universities, e.g., Indira Gandhi National Open University, vocational training, skill development programs, and massive open online courses, MOOCs, are examples of non-conventional programs. 3. Accessible education. These programs aim to make education accessible to a broader demographic, including working professionals, rural learners, and those seeking specialized skills. 4. Alignment with industry needs. Non-conventional programs often align with the changing demands of industries, offering courses in emerging fields like data science, digital marketing, and artificial intelligence. 5. Challenges and advantages. While non-conventional programs offer flexibility, they also face challenges related to quality assurance and assessment. 6. Government initiatives. Government initiatives like Swayam, study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds, have been launched to promote non-conventional learning in India. Dear viewer, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. Question 1 is, what is the primary focus of Oriental learning programs in India? A. Modern sciences. B. Traditional knowledge and cultural heritage. C. Vocational skills. D. Global language proficiency. Correct answer is B. Traditional knowledge and cultural heritage. Question 2 is, which type of learning programs are synonymous with mainstream higher education in India? A. Oriental learning programs. B. Conventional learning programs. C. Non-conventional learning programs. D. Vocational learning programs. Correct answer is B. Conventional learning programs. Question 3 is, which institution is known for its promotion of Oriental learning in India? A. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Bombay. B. Banaras Hindu University. C. Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU. D. National Institute of Technology, NIT, Delhi. Correct answer is B. Banaras Hindu University. Question 4 is, what is the primary aim of non-conventional learning programs in India? A. Preserving ancient cultural heritage. B. Providing degrees in conventional disciplines. C. Offering flexibility and accessibility in education. D. Focusing on global language proficiency. Correct answer is C. Offering flexibility and accessibility in education. Question 5 is, Which government initiative promotes online education and MOOCs in India? A. Swayam. B. 8G Sirka NEPD, ISRO. Correct answer is A. Swayam. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shouking Bilal.